Jason Helfstein, Oppenheimer Managing Director of Internet Equity Research, and Tom White, D.A. Davidson Senior Research Analyst, join us now. Gentlemen, good morning. Jason, I'll start with you. Your response to those comments, especially in light of the results we got for Uber, I mean, is the way to think about the company potentially, especially when you put it in the bucket with, say, Lyft or DoorDash, that it's kind of the ExxonMobil, if you will, the integrated player in delivery?
I mean, that has been the story, right? They want to be the super app, the idea that, they can drive cross-selling between maybe you first use it for food, they sell you ride, you first use it for ride, they sell you food, then they're obviously expanding into grocery and convenience and liquor and all these other things. Look, there's a lot of factors going on, and we can kind of talk about some of the labor concern issues, classification issues, but they tried to provide data. They gave out data last night for Sydney and New York City showing how as mobility has recovered, they haven't seen a meaningful fall off in food delivery. And so I think, they're trying to argue they can have their cake and eat it too. That may be one of the market concerns, but I think the main market concern is just the whole driver classification question.
Yeah, let's dig into that a little bit more, Tom. I know you and I spoke about it the end of last week on the network as well, how you balance basically these reopening efforts and the fact that you do continue to see growth in things like food delivery for Uber versus the headwinds around not only recruiting more drivers, but also all of this potential regulation.
Yeah, look, I think rising regulation, not only in ride sharing, but also increasingly in food delivery, which I think is maybe an underappreciated risk on the part of investors. For us, this is kind of the looming big risk, not only for Uber, but for a lot of these gig economy companies. Obviously, the Labor Secretary and the Labor Department has been doing some saber rattling here over the last couple of weeks on driver classification. It's not clear to us what they could unilaterally do to kind of compel reclassification or whatever, but it's clearly going to, I think, kind of increase pressure on the gig companies to address the issue. It could, I think, catalyze, maybe local lawsuits at the local level, which would just kind of put pressure on. Food delivery, though, I think is one where, it was sort of totally unregulated pre-pandemic. You're starting to see now regulators point their gaze there. In New York City, for example, nearby where I live, you've got the front runner for mayor, calling for making permanent the commission caps here, calling to require the food platforms to share customer data with the restaurants. This is an area I think too that needs to be monitored. All that said, I'm still a big fan of Uber. I think they're building a very large and diverse business.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.